Hi everyone. No vanity today. 3-day hair, no makeup, big bandage on my nose where I had skin cancer thing removed, like right here. Anyway, oh well. Whoops, didn't mean to put my hand in front of the camera. So I'm just coming to you for a quick second to tell you that I am slowly but surely modifying the recipes in the description below. I'm going to go through, and first I'm going to put the direct links from the PDFs, I should say, from my website, because they are cleaner copies and they are prettier and you can print from them, and they have the most updated recipes because, as years go on, I make modifications, but I just can't reshoot the videos every time. There's just no way. So I make modifications to the recipes, maybe, like for example, on my pumpernickel or brown bed, I took out some of the molasses and added some honey or sugar because the molasses amount was making it just a little too bitter and I wanted it to be slightly sweeter. So anyway, I'm going to be first adding all the direct links to the PDF on my website, and then no one needs to read through all of the stuff at the bottom. I know it's hard to copy and paste. You can't print it from there, but the PDF, one click on the link, and you're right at the PDF. You don't have to go to my website and search or anything. It's just a direct link to the PDF recipe, and those are the best ones. Those are the ones with my latest modifications and everything else. So please look for those direct links. I've done a few of them, but it is a bit of a busy, tedious process, and I've had other things going on here. I had a upper endoscopy and a colonoscopy last Friday, and then I had this yesterday. Next week I have a CT scan, just checking things out. Nothing's really wrong. So I've just been crazy busy doing medical things for me, making sure everything is good. And anyway, so it's been busy. I do have new recipes I'm planning on. I don't think I'm going to be doing any baking for a couple days. Have been asked by the doctor to take it easy, which I am trying to do, although it's hard for me. But I do have an idea for my next video. So be looking for those direct links. And eventually I'm going to remove the written out recipes from the descriptions because a lot of them are just no longer what I want them to be. Let's put it that way. Okay, thank you.